Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Hope you're doing well. So in today's video, we're doing a very exceptional hairstyle. But first, subscribe. This is the sweetened hair attachment for braids wool. It's actually a Brazilian wool, yeah. But I measured the length, so I now had to cut down the desired length that I want. I wanted the hair to be very long, so here's why I chose this length basically. And after I'm done, I just had to like comb it on. You know how you comb and just really comb your attachments? This is my flexi rolls. We really need flexi rolls for what we're doing. So first I'm just going to attach it this way, as you can see, and I'm going to turn it down, and I'm just going to keep rolling, or did I say twist it? Yeah, you just twist it. As you're twisting it, make sure it's firm, make sure it's really firm while you're twisting it, right? And make sure it's really smooth. Let there not be hair around it. Yeah, something like that. So as you can literally see here. So we're just going to be doing that all the way to the very end. As soon as we're done twisting it this way, then we're now going to use the end part and cling it. As you can see how beautiful it came out. You just have to cut out some extra hairs by the side. So this is very smooth, but I did it off camera. So I boil the hot water. Make sure the water boils really well. This is our coil keeper or conditioner. If you don't have any, you could use your conditioner. Then I applied it on the inside the hot water, and I took the Brazilian wool and just dip it in, and make sure everything really dips in really quickly, smoothly, really well. And then I used the coil keeper to just keep it in there. I needed to make sure it's really well touched, so I used another hot water to just apply it on it, just like you can see. So I let it dry for a whole day. I dried it. I now applied another coil keeper in it, so it really gave me what I want, and let it dry. So this is where I'll now be unrolling everything. Guys, I was literally surprised because it outdid itself. I loved the process. I love the results. I love everything it gave basically. So I'm just going to unroll it so it's to give me what I want, and this is it basically. And I love, do you see how bouncy and coily it is? This is the idea I had in mind, and this is exactly what it gave me. This is my crochets, because we're going to be using the crochet for what we're doing. I love the rolling process. This feels so good, so shiny, so bouncy, and can you see the beauty? So here we're just going to put our crochet in, bring it all out, and then we now tie it left and then tie it right. You know how you use your crochet basically here. So we just have to unroll it, do it for all the other parts of the hair. I really enjoyed this process, and one of the most beautiful takeaways with this particular sweetened Brazilian wool attachment is how soft it actually feels, like the real original attachment. And this was a really smooth and easy process. So the whole crocheting of this hair took me not less than 35 to 40 minutes because I needed to be detailed, and while I was crocheting it, I was also unrolling it from the you make sure you cover up the front parts. At some point it wasn't enough, so I had to remove some from the back to fill in the front. I wish I knew better, but in case you're doing yours, just save like 5 rolls that you haven't yet unrolled to keep for the front. It will really save you, trust me. So as you can see, I actually made my hair off camera. This is where I would now have to loosen the front part. If you have a front hair unlike myself, this hairstyle is going to suit in perfectly, especially if your edges are full. So that's more like it. I'm just going to lose the front, lose the edges, lose everything, and make sure I comb it so it will blend in with the wool attachments. So this is the curl keeper. I would have to use the curl keeper to really apply it on the hair to maintain the curls basically. So if you don't have this, you can use a conditioner or just make sure you get it so the hair would really last you. As soon as I'm done, I'm just going to cut out the excesses. Cut out the excesses, then style my edges, brush in the front. What are we going to do with our petals gel? I prefer petals gel because it just gives it some dark, elegant glow in the front edge of the hair. We're done, and I really love this whole hair. I love the process. But wait a minute, what do you think? Yo, it's so beautiful, it's so cute. I love the process, I love the outcome. When I posted this picture, as soon as I was done and I took pictures, people were actually thinking that it was attachment. They were like, oh my god, Royal, what extension did you use? Girl, it's Brazilian wool. My goodness. So let me know if you're trying this hairstyle. Let me know if there's something that you would definitely try out. Let me know if you love how this turned out. Let me know if you're also going to be getting these sweetened wool attachments, by the way. And state in the comment section what you think is your favorite thing about this hairdo. I totally love this. I loved how it turned out. I love how it gave me that whole goddess boho look. I love how I feel with the hair, and I'm definitely trying other ones with this. So if you haven't subscribed up until this moment, or you're still watching up until now, don't forget to subscribe. It's mean a lot to me. Don't forget to like, and please don't forget to drop a beautiful comment. It would mean a lot to me, and I would like that. And I hope you really try this hairstyle as well. Do you see how easy, how light, how beautiful and shiny it is? Yeah, this could be you when you try the hair out as well. So let me know what you think about it. And I feel good. I love this hairstyle, and I love how full it turned out, literally. I felt like a beautiful goddess, I'm not gonna lie. I felt really. So let me know if you're also gonna try this. As soon as you're done, just make sure your hair is full. Yeah, you can actually make yours shorter, but I just wanted mine to be full. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care. Bye.